Hey everybody, this is Kelly.
And Margot from My Favorite Quilt Store. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm doing great, thanks. Hey, this has been one of our most popular and best-selling lines we've had for a while, and we wanted to show everybody the great quilt kits and the fabric line.
And there's no question with these beautiful sunflowers why this has been one of our most popular.
I know, You Are My Sunshine is the name of this is the name of this collection.
Margot, that means so much.
And so it starts with the panel, which is a beautiful sunflower that says "You Are My Sunshine" on it, and with lots of bees and fun things. So the large quilt kit that I have is a throw size. It has 2 borders around it, and it is a fun and easy quilt that starts with the center of the quilt as the panel, and works from there to add borders and makes into a nice throw size quilt. So this is one size we have. The second size is,
I have the wall hanging. So this is going to be great for if you need a little brighten up your living room, then you can get this wall hanging to put in there. So it's just the same where it has the panel in the center and one less border than the larger.
yeah. So a lot of people have said they've used this one as a baby quilt.
Ooh.
So that's another great idea to
one?
make it as a baby quilt, because it's about 47 by 57. So it's a nice size, a small quilt, but a nice size for a baby quilt.
Absolutely.
So these are the quilt kits that we have for these collections. So let's show some of the fabrics. So this is the main print of the collection, and it is sunflower and bees, which is with a nice fun background. I just love this one. I mean, how could that not make you smile every time you see it?
I know, and then they're just buzzing around,
Buzzing
making
around.
it beautiful. It does have the chalk background too, which I really like.
Yep, I like that too. So this one has the words
You are
in
my
it.
sunshine.
You are my sunshine.
I have a nice daisy fabric.
You do have the daisy fabric, and that's one
I
of
love
my
this
favorites
one.
too.
With the swirlies.
With the swirlies in the back, it complements it very, very nicely.
Oh, yeah.
And this is the honey jar. This is what the honeybees are always looking for, is the honey jar in here with some sunflowers in it.
And I have the honeybees who are looking for the honey jar. And the background, the background has a beautiful honeycomb. I'll get a little closer for you to see as well. Look at those.
So that one's only in the larger quilt, but I'm telling you, that makes a great background for the small backing for the small quilt. That one is so much fun to add, because it does add a lot of color and interest to the back for a baby quilt or for your wall hanging. So then we also have this one that has lots of words about honey and bees in it, which is lots of fun. Be your friend. That's right.
And then a nice coordinating to go with my honeycombs, but with just a black solid background.
That's right. So be sure and check out all of our You Are My Sunshine fabrics, because they're lots of fun and we enjoy them here.
Absolutely.
So y'all have a great day.
Be anybody's sunshine today.
Be somebody's sunshine today.
Happy sewing.
Happy sewing.